Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. So guys, you can see that Nvidia on the chart is reflected as post stock split. So the price is down tenfold, right? But your principal value, your P&L on whatever position you had, it's nothing has changed on that. If you had one share, now you have 10 shares, and it's just the price has changed. You can see chart is scaled down in relativeness to everything. Technicals are unaffected. It's still the same way we'll be doing the technicals. Chart is still the same way it will work as in technicals has how it was working before. Things are just scaled down. But anyways, you will see the things as we go through this video, and let's do the price action analysis. Are we going to higher and higher all-time highs, or is where we would slow down a little bit? But am I seeing any sign of that or not? We'll talk about everything. All right, with that, please hit the like, subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. I'll also show you across other semiconductors as well how things are looking like. But let's jump right into it. Okay, so I want to start off by showing my day trading bot real quick. So let me turn that on, and let's go to the so we do have one today, well, buy, right? And there's one partial take profit has already come, so that's great. So yeah, you can see the data on the left side. It's just now the numbers are also different because you can change the size of the position, but because the price is different, but you can change the size of the positions in the bot setting here. That will reflect however you were doing before. But that's that. And then also swing bot is still in profit for the last running position, and it's still still ongoing. So you can see there's a partial take profits already given, but then open P&L of the remaining position is still running. And again, it's just increase the position size if you want to see the same type of numbers like before, just because your buy position size is also needs to be 10 times because the price is down 10 times, right, in the relativeness of the stock split. Anyways, so yeah, still net profitable. What it comes down to is just seeing the number, if it's green, or how things are looking like in percent and all of that. Anyways, so that's that. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, so start going over now the technicals itself. What are we seeing? Well, we are still bullish structure. Nvidia hasn't broken below $115.80, which was $1,158 before, right? Now things are different because of the stock split. So, but technicals are still the same, guys. It's just sized down, scaled down, that's all. All right. So yeah, that's a support that is still holding. You can see buying is coming in, right? That's just a pivot. Pullbacks are just getting bought back up. Follow the trend, follow the simple theory. And if I take you to the hourly interval, so yeah, you got my point. Overall structure is still bullish on daily interval. And when we go to the hourly interval, and let me just really quickly check something here on my indicator. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. All right. So, and you can see that we are still well above 200 hours moving average, and also we found support in one of the areas down here, right, at the previous levels of support. And but there was always this case that if we continue to reject this level of 121.41, and if we break 20 and 50 hours moving average, we can again at least first level come down to $118.47, which prior to the stock split was 1184 or something, right? And so we got that play, but that's where we are getting bought back up and on that level, and so things have been going back up from there. And yes, we are above now 121.69 as well. This zone of a little bit of prior resistance, And yeah, guys, so intraday, that was it. It's still again fully bullish. Pretty much once it failed to go lower and you start to see this green, this wick come in at the bottom and this green buying happen. Once we took out this area of $120.23, and this is where my day trading bot around gave that buy position as well, right? That was the structure change. And we have been going higher now. Yes, Nvidia is still bullish. Swing, you saw that's on the swing, the structure was still bullish. It never broke below 108 and 51 and 91 cents, right? And then also on the hourly interval, it has now also gotten above this area of prior resistance, which is 121 and 50 cents around. As long as Nvidia now stays above 121 and 18 cents, intraday also is just a clean, clear bullish structure. And let's see if Nvidia can get above to all-time highs 125 and 61 cents, because technically there I'm not seeing any resistance until then, a stronger one, and then we'll see how the supply zone reacts. And anyways, but for this, if we break below 121 and 24 cents again, things will again be in caution. But remember, structure is still bullish as long as we are above 115 and 81 cents. It's just that it may go through choppiness, but yeah, as long as structure is bullish, you can wait for the pullback, just as I have been saying, and just buy into the pullbacks and just ride the wave intraday as well higher. So that's Nvidia. And so let's go to now, let's take a look at AMD real quick. Oh, this thing. So guys, it's still staying in that choppiness. The problem is that it broke below 20 days moving average today. This is the supply zone up here, right? Now, this was the structure change, 162 area around, right? And then it started to go up. I'll do another video on this specifically today, but as what I want to show in this video is it is not bearish fully though, but it's weaker. I'll talk more about it when I do video on AMD later today. But yes, it's the supply zone is still really pushing it lower, that $170 range, the supply zone. All right, let's take a look at ARM. Pure plain bullish. I have been saying that any pullback, if it comes, it's just a buy. Structure is bullish on ARM, and yeah, it's been going higher and higher, so it's still still in the direction of going to $164. Level by level is what needs to be traded, but yes, this thing is full on bullish still. Broadcom, yeah, this thing, it was bullish, right? Structure break never came. The next structure break would have been below 1377, but yeah, that never came. It's breaking to all-time highs, and yeah, right now I'm not seeing any stop on this thing. The structure is bullish on this thing. SMCI, let's take a look at that. So SMCI, I'll do another video on this, guys, but yeah, I'm fully out of the short position on this now today, and I'll update it when I do another video. But yes, this support is still holding. I got out from my remaining position when it broke this area took out the previous candle, and that was it, fully out. I'll talk more about it later today. Micron, let's take a look at that before wrapping up. Yeah, this has been bullish already, and this just continuing high in that direction. So in bullishness, higher highs, higher lows, just buy into the pullbacks, stop loss on the other side, just ride the wave. All right. So just before wrapping up, just want to show you QQ and SPY. As I have been saying, it's just bullish. This one red candle or pullbacks is just a pullbacks. QQ has so much room for bullishness. Even if it falls to around 20 days moving average, it's just going to stay bullish. It's just bullish, guys. That's all. If we would have broken below 460, some intraday cool off may have come. But since we all stayed above that level, it's just bullish. And let's go to the hourly interval. Yep. And well, yeah, if I take a look at my bot on this as well, let's see my day trading bot on QQQ. Yeah, well, it's profitable, guys. You can see we got a buy position as well, and partial take profits already for the first position. But yeah, you can see the data on the left side. Similarly, SPY would be profitable as well. Not gonna plug my bot here. If you have access, just you already know. And if you need access, links are in the description below this video. And let's take a look at SPY. So Yeah, SPY is still technically bullish. It is still holding above that very level of that previous support zone. It hasn't turned bearish. Any pullback even to 20 days moving average is just a bullish thing on this, guys. But you look at it, not even a single pullback coming, it's just getting bought back up. But anyways, more I'll talk about later as well, but this video more specifically was just for Nvidia. Yeah. And yeah, structure is still bullish. Well, guys, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.